In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube videos in Obsidian. Embedding YouTube videos in Obsidian helps you keep tutorials, lessons, and reference material right where you take notes, so your learning stays organized and distraction-free. Here's how to do it smoothly, with a few practical tips along the way. First, open the note where you want to add the video in Obsidian. You can use an existing note or create a new one if this is part of a fresh topic. It's helpful to place your cursor exactly where you want the video to appear, usually on its own line under a heading or near the relevant section of your notes. Next, copy the YouTube video link from YouTube. You can grab it from the browser's address bar while the video is open, or use the share button and select copy link. If you already know you want the video to start at a certain moment, you can use the share option to include a start time before copying. Either way, you'll end up with a standard YouTube URL you can paste into Obsidian. Now paste the link directly into your Obsidian note. For the best results, put the link on its own line with no extra text before or after it. Many setups and plugins recognize a clean, standalone URL and automatically treat it as an embeddable media item when you switch to reading or preview mode. If your plugins or configurations support embed syntax, use the format your setup expects. Some plugins accept a simple link on its own line, while others use a shortcode block or a lightweight tag to indicate it's a video. Keep the URL intact, avoid adding spaces or extra characters, and follow your plugin's instructions if it specifies a particular style. The key idea is that you're not changing the steps. You're just formatting the link so your system knows to render it as a playable video. Preview the note to check if the video appears correctly. Switch to reading view or toggle preview so you can confirm the player loads, the thumbnail displays, and the controls work as expected. If you only see a raw link, double-check your plugin settings or make sure the link sits on its own line. Finally, save the note to keep the embedded video linked to your content. Obsidian usually auto-saves, but it's good practice to pause for a moment and confirm everything looks right before you move on. That's it. Your YouTube video is now embedded and ready to use right inside your notes.